Have you ever wondered how you can make money on YouTube using AI? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're going to delve into this fascinating world, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to follow. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has revolutionized countless industries, and the realm of YouTube is no exception. This powerful technology can assist you in creating content, understanding your audience, and ultimately monetizing your channel. First things first, you need to create a YouTube channel. Think of it as your stage, your platform to showcase your content. But remember, the key to a successful YouTube channel is consistency and quality. AI can help you maintain both. How? By using AI-powered tools like content generators and video editors, you can create high-quality content at a consistent pace. Next, you need to understand your audience. Here's where AI really shines. AI algorithms can analyze your viewers' behavior, their likes, dislikes, and even their viewing habits. This data, when used correctly, can help you tailor your content to your audience's preferences, which means more views, more subscribers, and ultimately more revenue. Now let's talk about monetization. There are several ways to make money on YouTube: ad revenue, channel memberships, merchandise shelf, and YouTube premium revenue. Each of these methods has its own set of criteria, but all of them require a substantial number of views and subscribers. This is where AI can give you an advantage. By optimizing your content for search and discoverability, AI can help you reach a wider audience, increase your views and subscribers, and ultimately increase your revenue. Finally, don't forget to measure your success. Use AI-powered analytics tools to track your progress, identify trends, and fine-tune your strategy. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a lot of patience. So to summarize, AI can help you make money on YouTube by assisting you in content creation, understanding your audience, optimizing your content for search and discoverability, and measuring your success. But remember, AI is just a tool. It's up to you to use it wisely and creatively. In this digital age, the possibilities are endless. And with AI as your ally, you're well on your way to becoming a successful YouTuber. So go ahead, take the plunge, and let AI guide you on your YouTube journey.